When it comes to tandoori recipes, one of the most popular recipe is tandoori chicken. Now this is actually a chicken lover's delight. Today I'm going to show you a wonderful tandoori chicken recipe using homemade tandoori masala. So let's get started and check out the recipe. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe to Home Cooking channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. For the tandoori chicken, I'm going to make a marinade. For this, first I'm going to grind a masala. To the mixer jar, take half onion chopped, a few cloves of garlic chopped, 1 large piece of ginger chopped, 2 large green chillies chopped, instead of water, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of curd, the masala paste is done. For the marinade, I've taken 300 grams of whipped curd. So you can see it's very nice and creamy. This is homemade tandoori masala powder. The link for this recipe is given in the description box. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of the freshly ground tandoori masala powder. Now if you need more, depending on the quantity of chicken or a marinade you're using, you can add more. Next I'm going to add the onion, green chilli and ginger garlic paste. Mix everything together. I'm just going to add half teaspoon of salt. The marinade is ready. For the tandoori chicken, I've taken the joint, that is with the thigh and the leg together. So if you don't want such a big joint, you can actually cut it into half, keep the leg and the thigh separately and also make the chicken. So I'm just going to make slits onto the chicken pieces. So just making small slits will help in marinating better. So first I'm going to rub some salt and lemon juice to the chicken pieces. For this I've taken 1.5 teaspoons of salt, the juice of 1 lemon. So just make sure you rub the pieces with the salt and lemon juice first. Now pour the marinade onto the chicken pieces. So I've rubbed the chicken pieces with the marinade, so you can see it's completely covered. Now the chicken is left to marinate. Make sure you marinate the chicken pieces for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours. To give a smoky flavor to the marinated chicken, I'm going to burn a piece of charcoal. So you can see the charcoal is nice, red and hot. Place it in a small cup. Keep it in the marinating bowl. Add a little ghee onto the hot charcoal. You can see it's the smokes coming out instantly. Close the bowl and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now I'm going to cook the marinated chicken. For this I've taken a nice white pan, add a little ghee. So you can cook the chicken either in an oven grill or on the stove top like this on a pan or a grill pan. Whatever is available for you, you can choose that and cook the chicken. I've added ghee. If you don't want to add ghee, you can also use oil, but ghee gives a better flavor. After 20 minutes, I'm going to turn the pieces to the other side. You can take a little bit of the gravy, all these nice flavors, and just coat the chicken. After 5 minutes, close the pan with a lid. Keep the flame on medium-low. Let it cook for about 20 minutes. I'm just going to flip the chicken pieces. Brush a little ghee. See, the chicken is coming together so beautifully with all this marinade and juices. So even if you're grilling it in the oven, so make sure you just brush a little ghee or oil at intervals so that the chicken pieces don't become very dry and they remain juicy and moist. The chicken is cooked perfectly. It's very nice and moist. So it's got a lovely char to it. So I've cooked the chicken on low flame, tossing it on both sides. It's taken about 45 minutes on the pan. So there you go, here is this absolutely aromatic, juicy and moist tandoori chicken that looks delicious. The best way to have it is with some nice mint chutney and onions by the side. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.